Welcome back, KaʻŌhao. Thank you for assembling for another marvelous episode.
Hey, Mr. President, were you ready?
I ready for what?
SBA test. Students, it's especially imperative that we pedal hard on our success cycles and try our best.
Oh, I see. I already knew that. Indeed, young Avengers, be resilient and don't let a standardized test your bespoke resolve.
Take a page from Captain America's playbook and Hulk smash this test.
Well said, Em. Good luck, young Avengers. Speaking of good luck, we surely are lucky to have assembled new to the news team, surely to edify us our upcoming dates and deets.
Greetings and salutations, Kaʻhao, to the news team, Shirley, here to timestamp your dates and deets. First class, young Avengers, keep pedaling hard on your success cycles. In this, our final trimester, it is especially important to remain vigilant as continue to test, not stress. The news team prescribes you all to remember that the best antidote to stress is rest. Now that's food for thought. Remember that thinking with your brain is like pedaling your bicycle, metabolically intensive. Mr. Brad says he averages about 10 miles per taco. So remember to both rest and digest. Speaking of digesting, get ready for a veritable cornucopia of culinary delights at our upcoming concert Under the Stars, Saturday, April 26th from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Proceeds will benefit next year's batch of Kaʻhao kumquats to have the opportunity to have the most excellent adventure to the Big Island and our nation's capital. So be sure to chow down before you chow. The news team would like to welcome back all of our 4th grade Ohana from their Big Island adventure. News team fans, I'm afraid to say that there's no rest for the weary as our news director, Mr. Mr. Brad, says that he expects all of you back in the studio to finish the shoot. Naomi, he says you're on deck for Picture of the Week. Wow, what a strict news director. Good luck, Naomi. New to the news team, Shirley, signing off.
Thanks, Shirley, for the veritable smorgasbord of dates and deets that are coming our way on our final trimester. I echo what was said in episode 8. April and May are truly going to be an epic double feature, a blockbuster endgame to the news team debut season.
Indeed, Mr. President, the news team would like to cordially welcome back all the 4th grade young Avengers to our happening campus from their Big Island trip. What a little big planet we live on.
What a macro-efficient idiom, Em. It just goes to show no matter where you go, there you are.
Well said, Mr. President. You don't know where you're going unless you know where you've been, and you don't know where you've been unless you intuited the answer to the eternal existential question.
We're in Kailua!
Welcome back, students and staff. Tehana here with We're in Kailua, where we test your location LAG to SEE. If you know we're in Kailua, we are on this week's episode. This week's segment brings you around to one of Kailua's most popular round intersections. This roundabout connects some of the most famous local temples to grab a snack before heading down to the beach. But remember, even when rounding a roundabout, always look both ways before crossing the street because there are no green lights for cars. Speaking of the color green, this green building is one of the temples connected by this roundabout. Is it Island Snow, Kalapawai Market, or 7-Eleven? Place your crypto bets now amongst your classmates and teachers and let them know where in Kailua you think it is.
Greetings and salutations, fellow Kaʻhao students. 4th grader Naomi here for your Picture of the Week. I just flew back from the Big Island, and boy are my arms tired. But some 5th, 6th, and 7th graders had an even longer flight last month from Washington, D.C. I hope they had as fun a time exploring the state's capital as we did at Volcano National Park and Rainbow Falls. I hope we keep on going to D.C. in future years. Special thanks to 2028 President-elect Ms. Powell for contacting and coordinating with the myriad number of chaperones parents, and other people to make this a most excellent adventure and opportunity for our awesome KaʻŌhao students.
Welcome back, KaʻŌhao. New to the news team, Stella here with your answer to this week's Where in Kailua. Hope you all had some time to ask around about this week's answer. If you put your crypto bets on Lani Kai Klapawai Market, circle up and give yourself a round of applause to everyone. Remember to check both ways before entering a roundabout. Gee, all this roundabout talking is making me dizzy. It's like I'm rocking around and around about in circles. Let's get back to the desk while I keep searching for this off-ramp to the roundabout segment.
Wow, that young Avenger might have rushed themselves too hard with that segment.
The words from the teleprompter can sometimes make you out and out. I'll be the roundabout and deliver the words to take us out and out.
I want you to be the roundabout.
But will the words make you out and out?
You spend too many days away.
In and around the lake?
Then our next segment needs to come out of the sky while we sit here.
Well, it looks like we'll be on the struggle bus for the foreseeable future, especially after seeing the most excellent journalism thus far about the things happening on campus.
Not just things, Mr. President, but people. Let's say yes to our disembarking from the struggle bus and assemble with another amazing member of our happening faculty with our first interview since episode 1.
Let's get to know Miss Serenity. So, Miss Serenity, what is your position and responsibilities at KaʻŌhao School?
I'm Miss Serenity. I am the site coordinator for our after-school program held here. This is our sign-out area. I'm in charge of making sure that our kids are all checked in and getting ready for the day.
Is there anything you want your young Avengers to know?
Yes, make sure you are checking in with Miss Serenity in my spot.
Tell me something interesting people would be surprised to know, Miss Serenity.
Something interesting about Miss Serenity is I have 4 sisters, all girls.
And like one brother, right?
And 1 Hanai brother, but the fun part is 4 sisters.
Sisters are always fun. Miss Serenity, thank you so very much for assembling with us today. Make sure to keep an eye out for her at our happening campus. And now, back to the desk for closing.
Well, it's roundabout time. We say the words that take us out and roundabout to the next episode.
Well said, Mr. President. Until next time, then, stay tuned for the next amazing episode and remember to like and subscribe to the news team's KaʻŌhao School Productions YouTube channel, your one-stop shop for all your infotainment. If you're getting your infotainment anywhere else, you best be checking your sources.
Speaking of sauces, why has no one interviewed the student council president yet?
Well, has Mr. Mr. Red, vetted you with the news team's standardized Smarter Balance interview questionnaire yet?
Questionnaire? What's the question?
What is your name?
Walker Potts?
What is your favorite color?
Blue?
What is the velocity of an unladen swallow?
An African or a European swallow?
Oh, I don't know.
She should have checked her sources. Eala, Ealu, e kuilima, KaʻŌhao.
For all your infotainment.
Walker. All right.
Oh, I don't know.
Should we have checked her?
Because I wanted to be like, who is Miss Serenity? Of KaʻŌhao Kumquat.
Doing it. This might end up in the bloopers. Hey, no fixes. Okay.
No feet fix.
They're not all there cropped up.
J. L-A.
Yeah, why don't you say instead of who's Miss Serenity? Let's get to know Miss Serenity.
I think we all know who is Miss Ray, but we don't know her. That's what we're trying to do. All right, Zach, get out of here.
KaʻŌhao Kumquat is to have the opportunity to learn. Excellent.
Is it tent pose or tent pose?
Miss Serenity is occupied with doing the interview, so just relax.
Locate.
Right on set.
I think we're good.
Go for it. You almost
Got it.
You
Got it.
That's it. Yeah. I don't get the wording of that. The word isn't wording.
The whole thing.
Alright.
Okay, just have your hand on the table, okay?
Sorry. The thing keeps on falling. Yeah, I don't know where it went. Today.
I'm gonna keep you up here for now. Can you go by Liv? Sorry.
You're gonna get greeny all slimy. No. Oh yeah. Ah.
And then be like, what up?
But
Oh yeah. Wait, I do want to see. I'll come back here. Oh, it's like see-through? Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. That is actually so neat. Wait, I'm gonna come back. No.
Wait, but
You go the other way when I go.
I know.
We should use that for
No, it's not filming.
we should have this.
No, you went the wrong way. I have a hole. I have what? It was? It was. Get off my foot!
Are you ready?
Get off my foot!
You want me to type it out for you so you can read it?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, okay. Stop recording, Mark.
proceeds will benefit next year's batch of kumquat. KaʻŌhao kumquats.
Back to the desk for
Closing.
closing.
Let's get
Back to the desk while I
keep
keep searching for this off-ramp to this roundabout segment. So
Let's get back to the desk.
let's get back to this while I keep searching for this off-ramp to the roundabout segment. I can't remember the thing. Keeps on turning black. I don't know how to fall.
I'm just doing the, what is it called? White balancing for the green screen.
Wait, is marvelous supposed to be a pun? So should I say
Say marvelous.
marvelous? Marvelous. Welcome back, KaʻŌhao, for another. Oh, I see. I already knew that. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay.
Just start from there. Oh,
Oh, I see. I already knew that. Indeed, young Avengers, be resilient and don't let a standardized test your bespoken resolve. Should I do that again? Wait, bespoken?
Bespoken.
Oh, bespoken.
Is there
Oh,
You
no.
said bespoke.
I just have
5, 4, 3.
Lest be livid.
Yeah.
It's a lot of words. It's
Don't let the show spoken. Like 5, like 4,
take a page from Captain America's playbook and say.
okay.
Wait.
Well said, Em. Good luck, young Avengers. Speak.
Cordially.
Cordially. Very good.
Cordially.
Cordially.
Gelatinous.
It's formal.
Gelatinous gravy.
There's no gelatinous here.
No.
Where'd you get because you're a gummy bear?
No. I am okay. Gelatinous gravy goes well with cookies. Indeed, Mr. President. The news team would like to cordially welcome back all the fourth grade young Avengers to our happening campus from the Big Island trip. What a little big minute we live on. Wake up.
We're going?
They want to.
Okay, I'm just gonna start. Thanks, Shirley, for the veritable. Veritable. Okay. Thanks, Shirley, for the veritable. Thanks, Shirley, for the veritable smorgasbord. I did it.
I take it you had enough time to rehearse this
Yeah.
line?
No,
Okay.
I wasn't paying attention.
That's good. That means you got all the, the stress bugs out of your body.
He was eating glue.
Yeah,
Okay, well that helps too.
the glue helps. I just had a little.
Set 11, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Well, it's roundabout time. We say the words that take us round. It's.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Keep going.
If you want to stop, it's your turn to go.
Walker, go. Say stay tuned for the next one.
Okay.
Stop laughing. I have to go.
Get it together.
Sorry. Okay. Outside pain.
You can do it, Walker.
I can do it. Okay. Stay tuned for the next
No, you can do it. Walker, take a deep breath. Come on, it has to go. Come on.
I have to go.
Okay. Stay tuned for the next amazing episode and remember.
And remember. And you say that.
What is
Okay. Wait. Go for it.
If you're getting, okay, be quiet. If you're getting your infotainment anywhere else, you best be checking your sources.